Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this headband for 0 to 3 month size. It's very simple and beginner friendly. And its pattern is consist of shell stitches. And you can also find the tutorial for this flower in my channel too. So for this project I am using a lightweight cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. So to begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making a slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Complete 11 chains and wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and go into the 7th chain from the hook and pull the yarn. Pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops and then again pull through 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern, go into the same chain and make double crochet 3. After making third double crochet stitch, make chain 2 and go into the same chain again and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. So after completing 3 double crochet, wrap the yarn and skip 1, 2, 3 chains and go into the 4th chain and make a double crochet stitch. So this is the first row. Now make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and turn your work, go into the chain 2 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then make chain 2 and into the same chain 2 space 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 sorry. Now go into this 11th chain of our base chain, which is our last chain, and make a double crochet stitch. Now again start with chain 3, turn your work, chain 3 is counted as our double crochet stitch, then go into the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. After completing 3 double crochet, at the top of chain 3 make a double crochet stitch. So this is the pattern. We are going to repeat this pattern until the desired size of our headband. You can make this headband for any size. But you need to take even number of rows. For this pattern we need even number of rows. So this is my 4th row. So continue making your rows until the desired size of your headband. So after completing the entire size, I have completed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28 rows. Now you can fold it in double, and I will show you the measurement with the measuring tape. It's stretchable, so it's 7 inches, 14 inches in round, which is perfect for 0 to 3 month size. Now we are going to join these two parts together. So you can count your chains from this first chain where we have done our double crochet stitch. It's maybe a little bit difficult to count chains, but count the chains and go into the third chain and pull the yarn and pull through this loop and make a slip stitch. I have added a stitch marker to make it more easy. So make chain 1 and turn your work, and first of all go into this double crochet stitch here and then go into this third chain by removing the stitch marker, and then pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then go into the next double crochet stitch and go into the next chain and pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and go into the next chain, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and into the next chain, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now go into this chain 2 space and go into this middle chain, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. If you find this method a little bit difficult, you can simply cut the extra yarn by leaving a long yarn tail, and you can simply join with the help of needle. So after joining all the stitches till the end, our middle part is ready. We are going to join our flower into this rough edge. So make a slip stitch into chain 3 space and then make chain 1, then go into the same chain 3 space again, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch, then wrap the yarn and go into the next row, double crochet stitch side space and make double crochet 1, into the same space double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. Complete 6 double crochet stitches, then go into the next double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch, then go into the next space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6 double crochet stitches, then into the next space make a single crochet stitch to finish our shell stitch. So it's super simple and easy baby headband. Now go into the next space and make 6 double crochet stitches into this space, and after completing 6 double crochet stitches you can make a single crochet stitch into the next space. So repeat this pattern till the end of the round. After completing the last shell, go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch and then cut the extra yarn. You can simply weave this yarn with the help of needle. Do some backside stitches to secure your work. So with the help of needle, take the yarn to the back side from this single crochet stitch, and then first of all make a knot to secure your work so your stitches may not lose. And after securing your work, now you can weave this extra yarn by hiding into backside stitches like this. And after weaving, you can cut this extra yarn. Weave this starting yarn into these backside stitches. Now for the other side, make a slip knot on your crochet hook and remove your crochet hook from this loop. Go into any space from our side row and make a chain 1 and then make a single crochet stitch, then into the next space make 6 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Complete 6 double crochet stitches and into the next one make a single crochet stitch to finish your shell stitch. And for the next one again go into the next space and make 6 double crochet stitches, and after completing 6 double crochet stitches simply make a single crochet stitch into the next one, into the next space, and complete this side too by repeating the same pattern. And weave all the ends. Now I will show you how to join the flower. We are going to join our flower at this rough edge. So only take the upper part of the headband and with the help of this blue yarn weave the starting circle, go downside from one stitch and from the next one go into the upside and then into the next one downside and then into the next one upside. So go up and down like this from every stitch and join this flower from the center. So gently weave your flower, don't make it too tight or too loose. And after reaching the starting point, you can take your needle to the back side to make a knot to secure your work. So after weaving this, make a knot here to secure your work. You can make 2 knots for more secure work, and then weave your yarn and cut the extra yarn. After cutting the extra yarn, now to join the petal from this single crochet stitch, use this white color yarn and simply weave this second row. You can see after joining the second layer, it looks something like this. So if you like this pattern, must try, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.